Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry guys, I have been absent. I have been dealing with personal stuff. But yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. So bafethu I'll be reviewing Genesis. Lana bafethu ke ubonke befuna isihlalo sase Genesis. He wants to be CEO of Genesis so bad. And as you can see bafethu lana, this scene was actually very funny because no one spoke here. Akekho khulumile. The family was quiet. Umuntu uzenzele kwakhe. This one is doing this one is doing that. Everyone was quiet, yabona. Noah came through, he took something. Uma ethi uFelicia ufuna ukukhuluma noNoah, Noah just dashed out. You understand? So everyone is just looking at each other. There's tension, there's hot energy, negative energy within the house. As you can see now, Nobuhle is looking at Ubongo. You understand? Because she's disappointed with Ubongo wants to take the CEO chair from her mom. You understand? Because Felicia has been like handling Genesis, but not very well, I can say. You understand? On the other side, Bafethu, uWendy ke noMpumi. uMpumi is actually confident to take her career to the next level because of her song that she submitted by Genesis. So she heard ukuthi her song is being played by Genesis. And uWendy ke bafethu, for once, she's a supportive mother, she's a proud mother, you understand, and Umpumi believes ukuthi yeah, the song is gonna make her blow up and it's gonna put money to the table, it's gonna put money and make the family wealthy and actually make the family beneficial. She believes in herself, you understand. I think she's holding a pen and a paper. I think she's writing notes or melodies, practicing melodies, more melodies, but bear in mind guys, there's a catch. Angithi ingoma kaWendy Umuzi wabhalela uWendy that song, and then obviously Muzi died, so uWendy did not really want to release the song because she hated the song, you understand, and she believed that the song had brought a curse or brings a curse to the family, you understand, or to her. But uMpumi kept on pushing bafethu njengoba nazi ukuthi she submitted the song, but unfortunately the song did not reach Genesis, it went to Revelation Records instead. Alena bafethu Felicia feels lonely, she feels double-crossed, she feels betrayed yabona ngoba ekhuluma nesithombe laphana sikamuzi, you understand. Uyakhuluma uyasho ukuthi she feels lonely and running the Tabete legacy is too heavy for her, you understand. But Bongo comes through. Ubongo uyafika laphana and uyambuza uFelicia ukuthi does she have a minute to talk, because he wants to talk to his mom regarding the CEO position since Ubongo wanted the CEO position so bad. Kanti uFelicia gave Ubongo the keys. But nazi key, you can run Genesis, you can run everything, it's yours, you understand. Even the legacy he was hungry for so much, he can run that legacy. Yamnika everything, you understand, but akafuna ukumbona. So Felicia did not want to speak to Bongo, but Bongo actually convinced Felicia into speaking to her, and fortunately Bongo returned the keys for Genesis. Umnikile Felicia ikhiye. Felicia also wayijikjela futhi uBongo ukuthi akayifuni lento lena, akayifuni Genesis, akafuni lutho that's gonna bring her to Genesis or bring her close to Genesis, I may say, you understand. So these guys, they have this tension fight between them, you understand. But I understand how Felicia is feeling because Bongo was demanding this to Felicia ayoma lapha phambili in a press conference and announce Bongo as the new CEO. And it's bad because umama ngafuna ukukhuluma nengane feels discouraged and whatsoever. But Bongo ushilo ekugcineni ukuthi he's gonna take charge of Genesis whenever Felicia feels like he is ready to take charge. So Ishmael wafethu ubuyile kule show yakhe. He was performing on a show there at Suncoast, you understand. So obviously ubaba Mfundisi finally welcomed Ishmael into the family. So actually basically they cool, because Umam Mfundisi did not want anything to do with Ishmael, but ekugcineni she calmed down and she welcomed Ishmael. So Ishmael ke bafethu kuyafika laphana, he's happy, the mood is all good. He was happy about the crowd, how the crowd reacted when he was performing and whatsoever. And the good news is Ishmael uphathele uMamfundisi izimbali, you understand, which is a good thing, you understand. which is a very, very good thing. It was a form of surprise and a gift to Mamfundisi, to appreciate Mamfundisi, you understand. On the other side, Mafitoto meets Mfundisi, they meet up in a long time. They finally meet, second is cat, so they finally met, and the meeting went well, actually, I can say, because it was all smiles. Babu Fundisi was happy to see Fistos. Fistos was also happy to see Babu Fundis. So with the crisis happening by Genesis Buffet, the workers, the staff, the employees are actually confused in the next move at Genesis. So they're actually worrying about what's happening, because Ubongo came through and actually formulated his own team and recruited his own people Genesis, not knowing what Ubongo actually gave back the keys to Felicia by Genesis. You understand? But Felicia made reassurance see everything is under control under her, so she is back in her position, so they must not worry because they kept on asking questions what's happening in Genesis, because obviously there was a fight about between Ishmael and Bonko and Felicia. It was a triangle fight, but endlessly Felicia is back on her ropes, so part of Genesis. So Mr. Gigaba Gabriel podcast, they were asked a few questions about regarding a single album kabasitsana. So obviously they were cooking up an album, so they were asked questions of okay, what has been happening in studio, how are they operating and everything, and yeah, man, they asked Uguti, since they were cooking up an album, when are they dishing out the album? Meaning, when are they releasing the album for the people to listen? Because obviously people want to listen, they have audiences, and Obasitsana had to answer the question how does it feel working with Mr. Kigaba. So she also said Mr. Kigaba changed her life, and her life has not been the same. They have been working very good. Revelation Records and whatsoever, you understand. But basically the interview was just more to actually clarify the release of album Kabasetsana. But remember, guys, there's a song that Basetsana recently did, Eagampumi. Apparently they stole the song, you understand? And I don't think Basetsana is actually comfortable with that, you understand? Because I think she doesn't know the song was actually given to her, but it was stolen from someone. So moving on, as you can see, Felicia, so Felicia is speaking to Owetu. Owetu is Bonko's wife, I can say, because they are engaged. So they're talking together. So the last time they actually met, it was tension, about total tension. It was a bomb, because these people, Felicia, do not actually speak right or actually treat Owetu right the day they met. But again, fortunately, they were able to forgive each other, you understand? So Unandike Bafeto rushes to her boyfriend, Umafitoto. Mafitoto, she is telling Mafitoto, venting to Mafitoto, telling Mafitoto she might lose her job, and she's worried and concerned about it because she doesn't know what's happening in Genesis. Few days back, in the last episode, staff Saga Felicia, the boardroom staff Saga Felicia, resigned. They all resigned, including Utande Lapa Genesis. So manje Nandipa is also scared, So manje Umafitoto was Nandipa's person to actually speak to and a shoulder to cry on, you understand? Umafitoto was actually so generous to actually listen to Nandi. So I like the relationship between these guys, I understand. They cuddled, like Ushilo Nandi Botufuna Mahaki, so Mafitoto did exactly that. And ingoma Bafetu le Ormelube Yampumi plays on radio. About that song that was sung by Umbasetsana, and Mpumi hears the song and the mood just changes automatically. You can tell Mpumi is disappointed. She doesn't like what she's actually hearing on the radio. So the song is actually Mpumi's, and the painful part is Mpumi was ready to actually elevate her career to the next level, and she was very confident to tell her mother she is ready to elevate her career. Want to make money for the family, make money for herself, and be that celebrity she always wanted to be. But unfortunately, she calls on Mama to actually come and hear the song, because the song is playing on radio. The song is now official, and so Maruna switches off the radio, you understand? She tries calming Mpumi down, yabona. Of which I really thought, because like when I looked at the scene, I really thought Umaruna is happy that the song is gone because she also wanted the song, you understand? But like I can't really assume that. Yeah, well, you're gonna see on the next episodes. So it's tension because Uwendige manje is also pissed. She's also angry at Mpumi. She is telling Mpumi she must give her every cent because obviously Uwendi is always hungry for money. She must give her every cent that she got, yabona, for the song, because the song automatically kaWendy, which was written by Umuzi, you understand, and she was warned not to release the song, but Mpumi went ahead to release the song. So Uwendi ufuna imali yakhe. Wendy wants her money. Ufuna imali yakhe Wendy. She was like, bring my money. Every cent that you got regarding the song, how much did they pay you? Bring back the money. So Mpumi Ashuti, she did not get a cent. She submitted the song and thought the song was viral up until the song played on radio, which the song was stolen. So she didn't receive any cent. On the other side, Nobuhle no Ishmael, they meet. But now the place that they meet at, is Kababa Mfundisi, which was a risk, I understand, because obviously Ishmael usethembise uNobuhle umshado. Uyasho ukuthi he's gonna marry uNobuhle soon, and ke uba Mfundisi in the middle of their convo uyafika lapha because Nobuhle ushilo ukuthi she wants to go to a place that is far away to receive peace, and the only peace she has is Ishmael. So manje uba Mfundisi uyafika lapha namtshela Nobuhle ukuthi she must not distract Ishmael because Ishmael has a long way to go as an artist. He's a young boy and he has talent, so she mustn't come and distract Ishmael, I understand. So Nobuhle bafethu uyaxoshwa lapha nemagcekeni, understand, because obviously they are wealthy lapha nakwathabethe. Bona kababa Mfundisi no Ishmael, they came from the mud, especially Ishmael came from the mud, so akafune ma-distractions Umfundisi, akawafuna ama-distractions. So uyaxoshwa-ke bafethu lapha uNobuhle. She tried explaining herself, she tried being defensive naye ayikhulumele, but it did not work out, you understand. Akusebenzanga lokho, yabo. On the other side ke bafethu, sibona i-staff sase-Genesis, the former staff of Genesis meet with Gabriel Gigaba. Hey, this man is cooking fire. Yapheka lo mjita. So Gabriel makes it clear ukuthi he wants to buy ama-shares alaba abantu laba, these men, yabo. And Uthandi doesn't want to speak about Genesis because they all resigned from Genesis, so they're looking for a better offer. So Gabriel uyasho ukuthi ufuna ukuthenga ama-shares alaba bantu laba umlisa laba besebenza Genesis, and then in the next week their shares would be valuable again. So him having to buy their shares is him having to bring himself back to Genesis. In a way, he wants to go back to Genesis, you understand. So that was it, bafethu, with Genesis. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch Genesis Monday to Friday, Mzansi Magic, 7:30. Danko.